In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Facebook cover photo in Canva. This process is both simple and fun, allowing you to express your creativity even if you don't consider yourself design savvy. Let's dive right in and get started. First off, head over to Canva's main page, which you can easily find by simply typing in canva.com into your web browser. Once there, you'll see a search bar prominently displayed at the top of the page. Here, type in Facebook cover photo and press enter. This will take you to a collection of templates specifically designed for Facebook cover photos. Canva has done a fantastic job of streamlining this part of the process. They provide a wide variety of templates tailored to suit different themes and occasions. After you've done the search, take a moment to browse through the available templates. You're looking for one that really stands out to you, fits your style, or suits the message you wish to convey on your Facebook profile. This gallery of templates is quite diverse, ranging from minimalistic designs to more vibrant and graphic-rich options. Once you've found the perfect template for your needs, click on it and you'll see an option that says customize this template. Go ahead and click on that button and it will lead you to the editing page, where you can really start to make this design your own. Now, here's where the fun truly begins. Once you've opened the template in the editor, you can start customizing it to fit your personal style or brand. Canva's interface is user-friendly, making the editing process smooth and accessible for everyone. You can begin by double-clicking on any text element within the template to edit it. Feel free to change the text to your preferred message or slogan. Make sure your text stands out so it captures attention. You might want to play around with the fonts and text colors to see what pops best against your chosen background. But that's not all. If you'd like to add a personal touch, you can change the images within the template. Click on any image you'd like to replace and then hit the Uploads button on the left toolbar to upload your own photos, or search for new graphics or images directly within Canva's library. Remember, high quality and relevant images can make a big difference in making your cover photo memorable and engaging. Once you're satisfied with your design, take a moment to review the entire cover photo. Ensure every element is perfectly aligned and that the overall look reflects the message you want to send. When everything looks great, click on the download button in the top right corner, choose your preferred format, usually PNG for digital graphics, and save your masterpiece directly to your computer. And there you go. In just a few simple steps, you've created a visually appealing Facebook cover photo using Canva. This not only enhances your Facebook profile, but also showcases your unique style to all who visit your page. Happy designing!